Oh no, I just got purple on my top. Let me have some. Oh, that is so good. If you want to see more smoothies, then just...
Oh, look, got all up me.
Oh, you donut! Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to say thank you so much to everyone who's already subscribed. I know I've got a small following, but for being up and running for 4 days, I'm pretty happy. So thank you all. So yesterday we went to the night market, which I took my camera and did a little bit of filming. I didn't want to go in there with my camera because coming back with boxes, I thought I might drop my camera, and considering I've just bought it, I didn't really want to do that. But also, I don't know, like, I'm not confident enough yet to just be walking around with a camera. I feel like that will come eventually. But anyway, we got the food, we got the coconuts, which is the most important thing because special ingredient for our smoothies and getting them exactly how we like them. Okay, so first, before I start doing the smoothie, I'm just going to rewind to last night just because I filmed and I want to show you what I filmed and what I'm talking about, and then we'll jump the video back to today and show you how I'm doing the smoothie. Good morning, guys. It is about 3 AM and we've literally just got to our night market that we always go to. I wanted to do a video on this just because the fruit is incredible, and it's, you know, it's things like we get like coconuts and things like that, so you can't get it from your normal, you know, supermarket down the road. But the annoying thing about that is that we do have to get up at like ridiculous o'clock in the morning just to come here. I mean, they do open at about 9 o'clock, I think, but the guy that we get the coconuts from, he's not opening until about 2:30 anyway, so we have to like set an alarm or stay awake basically. So yeah, no, it is a little bit long, but honestly the produce you get at these night markets is unreal. The reason why that we like to buy in bulk, not always, but at the moment especially, we're doing a detox. Call me crazy, but I've been detoxing now for the past 6 weeks yesterday, which has consisted of like a raw fruit diet. Then we did a 9-day water fast, and the water fast wasn't just water, it was water with cayenne pepper, lemon or limes and maple syrup. We did another 12 days on fruit. Then we did another 9-day water fast. This is me and my boyfriend, by the way, because he does it with me. And then we did so after the second water fast, we then went on to fruit again for like a week, because when you come off of these cleanses you have to introduce food gradually. So we did the fruit, and then we've gone on to raw salad, and yeah, it's been 6 weeks, which is crazy. So pretty much most of quarantine I have not had one hot meal, which is crazy, but honestly the benefits from detoxing are really, really good. We first did a detox about just over a year ago now. It was around March 2019. There's a shop in Brixton called Alkaline, and they do juice programs. We'd like read a little bit about detoxing and it kind of intrigued us, so we thought let's give it a go, and wow, it was insane. We had juices like kale, apple, fennel, cucumber, and I think something else I can't remember right now, all mixed up. We were doing ginger shots, we're taking herbs, and yeah, literally felt incredible. I had more energy doing that than I do eating normal food. My skin was just glowing. I always seem to get pimples all around my forehead, but when I was on this, my skin completely cleared up. My nails were stronger. Like, oh my god, it's endless. Like, obviously you do lose weight, and for me, you know, it's obviously a good thing when you're losing a little bit of fat. Yes, we did that cleanse for 21 days, and then we started to gradually introduce food, and then yes, since then we just do them every now and again. We've probably done near enough 60 days now in total, maybe 70 days of actual fasting and detoxing, like since we started, and that doesn't include like the fruit and everything, pure like juice fasting, or obviously this time around we've done the water fast. But yeah, I know I'm probably going to get so many mixed reviews on this, so many people thinking it's bad and rah 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 rah. Well, all I can say is that I've done it myself, and I know how good detoxes and juices can make you feel, and cleansing the body, and it's not just, you know, physically, it's mentally as well. I felt so so strong-minded when I was doing, when I do detoxes, because one, it's building your willpower, because it is hard, especially when there's people around you eating and drinking. And every time I want to do something, I just think to myself, I've done that, like I can do anything. Oh my goodness, sorry, the weirdest thing just happened. This guy, I don't know if you can see him, he literally just came right by my car, and it's obviously like a little bit weird because it's late and he looked really creepy. But anyway, back to the story. He's gone now. Oh my god, he's literally put me off what I was saying. Oh yeah, that's it. You just feel really, really good. I also was thinking quicker, and I was doing better at work. Like, it actually made me a calmer person. I was waking up at 5 o'clock every single morning, which I know some people would be like, why the hell do you want to wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning? You feel amazing. I was waking up with so much energy. And he's back with the produce. I think he's back with the coconuts, which I'm going to show you when he's back. That is so weird. He's like popped the boot, but I can't even see him. But anyway, I'm going to get out and show you the coconuts, because they are banging. Oh wow, you got everything pretty much.
I've got avocados, mango, jelly. I've got to get 2 more jellies.
Okay, he's gone back to get one last thing. But yeah, no, we really enjoy it, and it makes us feel really, really good. If you haven't tried to do one, definitely try. We're going to go to another bit now and get some grapes. And that is another great. That is another great fast, just doing the grapes. Also, when we go onto the fruits, we love having smoothies. And the coconut water in the smoothie is great. You see loads of people having milk with their smoothies, and don't get me wrong, they are banging, but mate, you need to try coconut water. Yeah? Right, I'm gonna go. Ciao. Okay, so we're back. Got the grapes, they're seeded as well, another thing you can't tend to get much of in supermarkets, which is another reason we like coming to the market. And tomorrow I think I'm going to do a video, well, I'm going to keep this as the same video, but I'm going to show you how we make our smoothies with, well, using coconut water instead of milk or normal water, and it tastes insane. So yeah, be back tomorrow. It's at 3:35. I am knackered. Probably won't be in bed until about 5 o'clock. This is what we got yesterday. So coconuts, mangoes in abundance. Ever seen an avocado that big? I mean, seriously, that is a bloody big avocado. Ginger, and that's just some sweet potato. But these are, I'm hoping I'm saying this right, Honduras. Not as sweet as the orange ones, but they are still good. I will say, obviously, where we're eating just strictly fruit, veg, salads, our smoothie bowls aren't the most adventurous when it comes to decorating. Normally we'll add granola, we'll add flax seeds, chia seeds. I mean, we can add goji berries, but we don't have any at the moment. But yeah, we would make it a little bit prettier. We make smoothies almost every day, especially with the weather being so nice. It's just nice and refreshing. Yeah, I'm gonna start the video.
Yeah, fair bit. Not much, no. It's a good little workout for the wrists and the hands.
And the faces that you pull as well.
The quarantine hair, you know, gets wild.
So you're talking about your hair now?
Yeah.
It's more the beard than the hair, babe.
Yeah, more the beard, but even if you was gonna make a sweet potato curry, if you get a lot of jelly and use the coconut water, you can blend it up and use that as coconut cream instead of the canned stuff, so a lot better for you.
We're gonna do a blueberry smoothie today. Yeah, we've got a NutriBullet, so we're just gonna firstly blend the coconut water and the gel all together.
A good cream, coconut cream. Pour it back in here. 2 frozen bananas inside the bag, inside the NutriBullet. About a cup and a half full of blueberries. So this is the sea moss, so I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons in. You know what? 4. I like it sea mossy. So we're going to throw two dates inside here, de-pip them.
Yeah, make sure they're de-pipped, otherwise it can
and then we're going to add some
loads of hard bits in.
Coconut cream.
Let me have some.
Oh.
Is blueberry your favourite?
In a smoothie, it's one of my favourites.
So good. So that is the first layer. Okay, so we use 2 frozen bananas. We use 1 unfrozen banana, and the riper it is the better. So you want it nice and black. And then again, you can kind of just gauge it, but a nice cup full of blueberries. 2 dates again, unpipped. See, I like to break it up so it's not too bitty, but you don't.
Oh, it blends up, doesn't it?
Yeah, but that's why you get all the hard bits. We like to add the sea moss. Again, you don't need to. It's not gonna do anything to the flavour really.
It can make it a bit fluffier.
Yeah,
and it's got a lot of minerals in it, so we like putting it in our smoothies. It's good, very, very good for the body.
So that's sea moss on top.
Little bubbles just pop up.
And I think the only difference between the 2 layers was we added 1 unfrozen banana. That's too hard for me to get off. That banana does make a difference. Give me some of that when we eat. Drink it. Oh, that is so good. To go on top, we're gonna just use our little bananas. These are Bora bananas. That is so good.
Creamy, right?
Mmm. If you want to see more smoothies, then just...
Oh, look, got all up me.
Oh, you donut! Oh! Ah. If you like the video, please like it, subscribe, comment, all of that.
Ciao.
And see you soon.